tetroxide and with substituted double bond. So see, it is reagent is a highly electron deficient. One thing you can keep in mind, this osmium tetroxide is a highly electron deficient reagent. This reagent, it is highly electron deficient. So always make attack on electron rich double bond. If you having C2 double bond, the reaction is always take place at electron rich double bond. It is also attack on less hindered double bond. પછી આપણે કાર્બન કન્ટિન્યુ કરીએ છીએ. It is also attack on less hindered double bond. And reaction which always give you same product that you are knowing very well. Now suppose this is choice is available. Here you are having two double bond. This is the two group C double O, Me. These are the two groups. Out of these two double bonds, see here this is a electron withdrawing group. Carbonyl carbon is a electron deficient, therefore it is electron withdrawing. So this is electron withdrawing group and therefore this double bond is electron deficient. And this double bond is electron rich. This double bond is electron rich. So reaction is always take place at electron rich double bond. So if you use osmium tetroxide in the presence of the reagents, you can carry out reaction in the presence of N-methyl morpholidine N oxide. અહીં આ રીતે શોર્ટમાં લખશે reaction which is taking place in the presence of NMO H2O, or you can have acetone. What is NMO? So NMO is nothing but it's a N-methyl morpholine N oxide. This is a morpholine. Here you can have a methyl as well as oxygen N oxide. This is called N-methyl oxide. તો આ બે વસ્તુ યુઝ થશે, either NMO અને બીજું છે THBP. Second one is similar type of compound which is used is THBP, where THBP is nothing but tertiary butyl hydrogen peroxide. tertiary butyl hydrogen peroxide. Tertiary butyl hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. So it is called THBP. So here see epoxidation take place, hydroxylation take place on less hindered double bond, or you can say electron rich double bond. So hydroxylation taking place over here. This is a syn hydroxylation. So two group remains in the same side. It's OH. Another very important reaction similar with stereochemistry is, suppose you are having this type of double bond. So here the position of OH group is given. OH group is, it is on our side, front side. So if you carry out reaction with osmium hydroxide, so what happens? So see, you can have a two possible product with for syn hydroxylation. One is this one. આમાંથી બધા જ બંને OH group એક જ બાજુ છે. They're in the same side, so formation of hydrogen bond take place. Sorry, here there is a possibility with the hydrogen bond in the case of water molecule. Sorry, in the case of hydrogen bond which is taking place internal hydrogen between two OH group. One is this. Second one is this one. These are the two possible product. આ બંને product છે, possible product. So between these two groups, hydrogen. So what happens? See, this reaction may take place using. You can have a using osmium tetroxide reagent. So if you use osmium tetroxide, then what happens? There is a hydrogen bond between these two. આ બંને વચ્ચે hydrogen bond બને. If they are in the same side, and if they are in the opposite side, then there is no possibility of hydrogen bond. So because of hydrogen bond, the product become stable product. This product become major product. Hydrogen bond possibility છે, this is not formed. If you use reagent, same side છે hydrogen bond બને. If you use this reagent, osmium tetroxide in the presence of NMO and TMEDTA. TMEDTA. Sorry, TMEDA simply. What is role of TMEDA? TMEDA, it is nothing but this reagent is, it is nothing but it is a tetramethyl ethylene diamine છે. આ reagent જે છે TMED, it is a tetramethyl ethylene diamine. So this is a ethylene group, this is diamine. અને અહીંયા બે CH3 મૂકશો, so it is called tetramethyl ethylene diamine. It increase, it is used, see, it is help to increase the electron density on osmium tetroxide, because osmium tetroxide is electron deficient, but whenever it is come in contact with this one, so because of the electron of 2 nitrogen, lone pair electron of 2 nitrogen, this will abstract by osmium, so electron density is increases. So it can easily form hydrogen bond. So H bond formation take place easily. So in this case, what happens here, there is no hydrogen bond without this reagent. Here, no hydrogen bond. As you have, it is not possible if you don't having this reagent. But if you put this reagent, TM, EDA, so you are having the possibility to form hydrogen bond very easily, and therefore you are getting major product, this one. Hydrogen bonded product easily as a major product. Now, in order to increase the only if you want this product, if you don't want other product, then you can have a hydrogen bond. આ કેસમાં સપોઝ આપણે બંને પ્રોડક્ટ રાખ્યા, but if you having hydrogen bond, then this is form as a major product. And for in order to getting hydrogen bond, you can have a TMDA reagent, TMDA reagent, because it increase electron density on osmium tetroxide, so hydrogen bond formation take place smoothly. But see, if you having group like methoxy or any other group where hydrogen bond is not possible, suppose if you having this type of group here, any alkoxy group or 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 OCH3 group, so there is no possibility to have a hydrogen bond. So if you carry out same reagent, osmium tetroxide in the presence of TMEDA, so see, now hydrogen bond is not formed because hydrogen is not available, because it is OCH3 group. So if hydrogen bond is not formed, so therefore you are getting the reverse product, OCH3, which reverse the product, or you can having the product which is formed without hydrogen bond. That type now, both the group remains in opposite direction. This is a major product. If hydrogen bond is formed, so attack is made in same side. If hydrogen bond is not formed, then attack is made from opposite side of this OCH3 group. બાકી જે existing group છે એને opposite side માં જ enter કરવાનું, OH group, if hydrogen bond is not formed. What happens in this case? This group is in a back side. અહીંયા પણ હાઇડ્રોજન બોન્ડ ફોર્મેશન પોસિબલ નથી એટલે આપણે એની ફ્રન્ટ સાઈડ અટેક કરો. બલ્કી ગ્રુપ હોય ને અપોઝિટ સાઈડ અટેક કરવાનું. So this is about the osmium tetroxide we have already completed. Now yesterday we have seen generation of carbene and addition of cis or singlet carbene and triplet carbene to cis and transalkane. So singlet carbene is added in a stereo selective as well as in stereo specific manner. Whereas triplet carbene required one additional step that is called spin inversion, and therefore whether you are taking cis or you are taking transalkane, you are getting mixture of product. Now see which type of reactions are useful in case of the carbene, especially addition reaction, so that we are seeing. Suppose you are having this type of compound pyrrole with double bond. Now we check its application. You are given only this one. Here you are given reagent is given CH3Cl, CH2Cl, sorry, in the presence of NaOMe. તમારે આ સિસ્ટમ આપેલો એટલે સમજી જવાનું. બેઝ is given and departing group containing compound is given. So two things which is take place. બે ગ્રુપ રિમૂવ થશે, ઇલેક્ટ્રોફ્યુઝ અને ન્યુક્લિયોફ્યુઝ, and you are getting carbene. તો પહેલા તો કયો કાર્બિન મળશે એ ડિસાઇડ કરવાનું. આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ નેટ એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાય. So here you are getting carbene from CH2Cl2 in the presence of sodium methoxide. So first you are getting hydrogen is removed from here and here Cl is removed. So you are getting monochlorocarbene. Electrofusion and nucleofusion તમારે remove કરવાના. So you are getting this carbene, monochlorocarbene. Now you can add monochlorocarbene to this double bond. So this is double bond addition is take place here, and then it undergoes ring expansion. Double bond is formed between 1 and 2. 1 between 2 and 4 is zinc breakdown, and new bond is formed between 3 and 4. So you are getting with the departure of this Cl from here. So you are getting 1 and 2 વચ્ચે double bond આવશે, 2, 3 વચ્ચે single bond, 3 and 4 વચ્ચે double bond આવશે. So you are getting pyridine. 5-member ring is converted to 6-member ring. So this is called ring expansion. This is very important, one of the product. Similarly, see if you having HCl3 in the presence of sodium methoxide. So you are getting dichlorocarbene. Here see carbene generated from here is H plus is removed and Cl minus is removed. One of the Cl minus is removed and H plus is removed. Still you are having 2 Cl is left. So it is called dichlorocarbene. If you add into double bond, then and after undergoes ring opening, then you are getting 6-member ring with Cl at position number 3. 3-chloropyridine. If you having see here 3-methyl group containing compound, carry out reaction with same reagent. Then product which is formed here is so number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are getting 4-methyl chloropyridine. For methyl 3-chloropyridine. These are the various reaction which is take place with carbene. That is addition into simple double bond. If you having indent, this is a indent. This is the indent. Then what happens if you carry out reaction with suppose CH2, Cl2, NaOMe. So carbene which is generated from CH2, Cl2 is monochlorocarbene. Monochlorocarbene. एक H plus and a Cl minus removes, so you are getting monochlorocarbene. Now which is add to double bond, so you are getting this product. This is on ring opening. You are getting naphthalene. 5-member ring is converted to 6-member ring. So product form over here is naphthalene. Three-methyl indole. This is indole. So if you carry out reaction with CHCl3, the presence of sodium methoxide, then you are getting 4-methyl 3-chloroquinoline. Or methyl 3-chloroquinoline. Now see, apart from this simple carbene, certain other carbenes are there which have a specific action reagent. One of the carbene precursor કે જેમાંથી કાર્બિન મળે તમને. So carbene precursor are carbene precursor જેમાંથી તમને કાર્બિન મળે. Reagent that is called carbene precursor are CH2I2 in the presence of ZnCU. એક આ reagent છે કે જેમાંથી કાર્બિન મળે. It gives this carbene a reaction કહેવાય છે. This name reaction is called, the reaction is Simon-Smith reaction. The reaction is Simon-Smith. Conversion reaction take place at isolated double bond. Isolated double bond undergoes reaction. Or reaction take place at isolated double bond. This is one reagent. Second important reagent is CH2, CH2S, CH3, CH3. This is called dimethyl sulfonium methylide. Dimethyl sulfonium methylide. Which is less inert reagent. It is less bulky, so more reactive. Less bulky એટલે વધારે reactive હોય, and therefore it is less selective. So most bulky હોવાથી reactive હોવાથી reaction take place on bulky positions of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Reaction take place on carbon oxygen double bond. Here reaction take place. And third reagent is bulky reagent. Third reagent is a bulky reagent that is called oxosulfonium methylide. Oxosulfonium methylide. It is highly bulky and therefore less selective. Less reactive, more selective. The reaction takes place at alpha beta unsaturated double bond site. Suppose this is aldehyde. So this is the alpha beta unsaturated double bond. So where reaction takes place. So this is difference between these three reagent. Simon-Smith reaction takes place at isolated double bond. CH2 dimethyl sulfonium methylide undergoes reaction at carbon oxygen double bond, and dimethyl oxosulfonium methylide DMSO DMOSM. So where reaction takes place at alpha beta unsaturated double bond. So if you want to understand these applications of these three reagent, you can have a you can take this example. You can have a this example with one of the double bond here at alpha beta position, and second double bond is which is at isolated position. This example already asked in December 2012. So if you have a suppose three reagent, whatever was given, so identify these three reagent from the product. Here epoxidation takes place at isolated site in first case. In the second case, which is taking place here, here CH2 addition, sorry, carbon methylation takes place at carbon oxygen double bond, not epoxidation, but methylation. And third one is it is take place at alpha beta position. So which one is correct reagent out of these three? So first માં A કયું આવશે, B કયું આવશે, C કયું આવશે? આપણે ત્રણ reagent type હતા. Simon Smith. You are having these three reagents CH2I2 in ZnCU, CH2
CH3 twice as CH2, CH3 twice as CH2.
CH2 twice in the presence of oxomethylene sulfonium. The first case my isolated double bond है, so where reagent which is comes here is Simon Smith CH2I2. CH2I2 in the presence of Zn, because reaction takes place at isolated double bond. Second case માં bulky position, આ bulky group છે, this is a bulky. A bulky ઉપર reaction થતું હોય તો less bulky reagent જોઈએ, and therefore this is the reagent. And third માં more bulky જોઈએ, કારણ કે less bulky double bond પર reaction થાય છે. So here reagent which is used is this is called reagent C. Okay, so this is its selectivity, addition of carbon to double bond with its selectivity. So always less hindered double bond may undergo a reaction. ત્યાર પછી સાયક્લિક સિસ્ટમ હોય તો એમાં પણ આ રિએક્શન ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. સપોઝ સાયક્લિક સિસ્ટમ હોય આ ટાઈપની, and if you use two reagent, bulky and less bulky, CH3 twice, આ reagent પોતે લેસ બલ્કી છે એટલે કાર્બન સપ્લાય બલ્કી પોઝિશન પર કરશે અને બલ્કી પોઝિશન એટલે એક્સિયલ, એટલે એ જે કાર્બન સપ્લાય થશે એ એક્સિયલ પર થશે, આ એક્સિયલ પર, એટલે ઓક્સિજન અહીંયા આવશે. And if you use less bulky reagent, or sorry, more bulky reagent, બલ્કી રિએજન્ટ છે એટલે લેસ બલ્કી પોઝિશન પર અટેક કરશે, એટલે કાર્બન સપ્લાય ટેક પ્લેસ એટ ઇક્વિટોરિયલ પોઝિશન, તો ઓક્સિજન અહીંયા આવશે આ રીતે. અને બીજું એક આ પણ રિએક્શન્સ છે પૂછાઈ ગયેલું છે, જે આપણે યાદ રાખવું પડે. સપોઝ આ ટાઈપનું કમ્પાઉન્ડ હોય કીટોન, and if you use this reagent C6H5 twice S plus સાયક્લોપ્રોપેન, તો અહીંયા જે છે એક આ કાર્બન બનશે, સલ્ફર પોઝિટિવ વાળો ભાગ રિમૂવ થઈ જાય, આ કાર્બન બને, એને આ ઓક્સિજન ડબલ બોન્ડમાં એડ કરશો એટલે આ રીતે એડ થાય. બટ આની મેજર પ્રોડક્ટ આ નથી, આના પછીનું સ્ટેપ રિંગ ઓપનિંગ છે. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. એટલે અહીંયા ફરી અહીં ડબલ બોન્ડ બની જાય. ઓરિજિનલ ડબલ બોન્ડ જો 1 અને 2 વચ્ચે હતો, 1 to ડબલ બોન્ડ બ્રેક કરી દેવાનો ઓરિજિનલ, અને 1 પર ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડેફિશિયન્ટ કાર્બન પર આ ગ્રુપ આવી જાય. સો ring expansion take place. It is most important reaction. અહીંયા ઓલરેડી આ કાર્બન છે જ, 1 નંબરનો કાર્બન, એની સાથે આ 2 નંબર, એની સાથે આ 3 નંબર અહીંયા જોડાઈ જશે, અને 1 નંબર પર કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન ડબલ બોન્ડ આવી જશે. બરોબર. સો ધીસ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પ્રોડક્ટ, આ પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવવાની. કાર્બન એડ કર્યા પછી રિંગ ઓપનિંગ. Okay, so this is about all about carbon, concept of carbon, how it is added to double bond. So tomorrow we see other reagents. Thank you very much.